Hey everyone, so the Tucano is completed with the new fuselage. It turned out fantastic. Once again, looks like a brand new aircraft. So I've got the Twin R8 receiver in there with the X14. Right now it's just charging. I'm going to use the Turnigy Graphene 5000 in there. It's set exactly where it needs to be with this battery because it's a 5000 and it's not as heavy as some of the other batteries I have. I do still have to push it all the way back. With the other batteries, I might have to just maybe move or cut some of that foam out because I absolutely hate adding weight to the aircraft. If it's a little bit nose heavy, I don't like putting anything in the tail, just added dead weight. So if I have to, I will do that with the foam. It might have to go back maybe quarter or 16th or 1/8 of an inch. We'll see what happens when we put the other batteries in, but it is absolutely ready to go. And once the X14 is charged back up, it's ready for a flight in a little bit here. So yeah, it's turned out great. Next up is the flight again, and I'm going to do another review here with the X14. So far, the radio feels really nice in my hands. I do have pretty big paws, so compared to the Radio Master TX16S that I use now, it is a little bit smaller, but it actually feels fantastic. And having all of the aircraft from HobbyKing pre-programmed, everything on this aircraft works flawlessly. So next up is a flight. See you then.